Stash Invest Robo-advisor for investing full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Stash Invest are in the description below. Let's get into it. Stash Invest is a robo-advisor that offers an easy-to-use investment platform catering to beginners and new investors who want to build wealth without the complexities of traditional investing. What sets Stash apart is its personalized investment portfolios. When you sign up, you'll answer a few questions to determine your risk tolerance, which helps Stash recommend a tailored portfolio. This portfolio is built using ETFs and individual stocks from different sectors, giving you a chance to diversify your investments even if you're just getting started. One of Stash's standout features is the ability to buy fractional shares. This means you can invest in high-priced stocks like Amazon or Tesla with as little as $5. This opens up the opportunity for everyone to invest in their favorite companies without needing large amounts of capital up front. Additionally, Stash offers educational resources to help users understand the basics of investing and personal finance, making it a great tool for beginners. Stash Invest also comes with a banking feature called Stash Banking, which allows users to have access to cash management accounts, debit cards, and automated savings tools, all in one platform. This makes it a great choice for users who want a more integrated experience for their finances. Strengths. Stash Invest's strength lies in its user-friendly interface, fractional share investing, and customizable portfolios. It also offers low fees, with plans starting at just $1 per month, making it affordable for beginners. The educational content is comprehensive and easy to digest, empowering users to make more informed decisions. Weaknesses. On the downside, Stash's fees are higher than some competitors, especially for smaller portfolios. The limited investment options, mostly ETFs and stocks, may not appeal to more seasoned investors looking for broader asset classes like bonds or international stocks. Conclusion. Stash Invest is an excellent platform for those who want to start investing with small amounts of money and need educational support along the way. It's perfect for beginners who want to build wealth slowly while gaining a better understanding of investing. If you're looking for a simple, affordable way to get started, Stash Invest could be the right choice for you. Check out the link in the description and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.